it's Jory, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a really nice, refreshing, easy, light cocktail called the Spring Rose. It's a wine-based cocktail, but we got a little bit of gin in there to spice it up. Let's dive in. I'm going to start with 3/4 ounce grapefruit juice. And then before we pour that in, we'll just add a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup to top it up. We're going to add 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. We're going to move on to some Elderflower liqueur. So we'll add 1/2 ounce of St-Germain Elderflower liqueur into the tin. This is my favorite Elderflower liqueur for sure. Then an equal part, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of a London dry gin. We're using Gordon's today. We've got a beautiful French rosé today. We've got some nice strawberry notes in there that are going to complement the grapefruit really well. So 2 ounces of this. We're going to add some ice and shake it up. We're going to add some ice to our glass. Then we're going to double strain this over the ice. It's got that beautiful blush pink color. We're going to garnish this with a 1/2 grapefruit wheel. And then a little sprig of thyme. There we have the Spring Rose. This is so beautifully floral, light. It's very citrusy. You get kind of that really, really subtle bittersweet note from the grapefruit. It's perfectly well balanced. I think you're really going to like it. Cheers. You can find this recipe and more in the spring edition of Taste magazine.